Well, hello there, everyone. My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. Today we have a special treat from the Milwaukee Tool Company. We have the 2997-22. It is the two-piece M18 FUEL combination kit in a nice hard case. This thing is brand new. You might not be able to get your hands on it just yet. You might need to wait a week or two from the publishing of this video, but we're going to give you a look in person right after this commercial break from our sponsor. These are the newest hammer drill driver and impact driver offerings from the Milwaukee Tool Company in their M18 line. They were just announced this spring at Milwaukee's #MPS 2018. We covered that event to a large extent. You could see those videos over here. At that time, we basically were just getting the reports in from Milwaukee, going over specifications, but we finally have one of the new offerings from that MPS 2018. I'm excited to get it open. I mean, these are some big claims. These tools offer up to 60% more power. They're up to 1.5 inches shorter in length. They're up to 2 times faster speeds. So that means you're driving larger anchors, you're gonna get your job done quicker. This is the M18 FUEL Tool 2-Tool Combo Kit 2997-22. It fits all M18 batteries. In case you were wondering, this does have red lithium technology. It does come with 2 5.0 batteries. The 5.0 batteries are sufficient for daily use, especially on a construction site. I got some guys telling me that they're like, yo, we throw a 9.0 battery on my hammer drill driver or my impact driver. Me personally, I think it's overkill, okay? But let me know down in the comment section below. Do you throw a 9 amp hour battery on your M18 FUEL hammer drill driver, impact driver? Do you run it for like a whole month? You know, what do you do with that 9 amp hour battery? You know, is that your daily driver? Let us know down in the comment section below. Also, let me know if maybe you use it as like exercise while you're on the job site. All that extra heft. Some people actually leave comments on some of our battery videos. Okay, we'll link them here. We do a lot of extensive battery testing from the M18 line. 5 amp hour, the standard XCs, 9.0 batteries. People say they can't wait for the 12 amp hour battery to come out to throw them on these tools. I mean, have you seen the size of those batteries? Oh, you haven't? Well, stay tuned, because we're gonna give you a look at the size of that 12 amp hour battery. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have the notifications smashed. When we publish that video, you're gonna see some side-by-side comparisons. Would it even make sense to put a 12 amp hour battery on a tool of this nature? I gotta tell you, I don't think so, but some people say that they're gonna do it, and they do it. Make sure you check out that video when we publish it. We're excited about it. We could go on over the stats. Competitor 1, competitor 2. You know, I don't believe that these are color coordinated in any particular way. I mean, why would they be? The shorter length, the faster speeds. They do have peak torque, 1,200 inch-pounds. RPM, this is for the hammer drill. RPMs, 0 to 550 RPM in speed 1. 0 to 2,000 RPMs in speed 2. Beats per minute, 32,000 beats per minute. If you're, going through tile, masonry, any type of Masonic type products, you're gonna, the more beats allow you to do it quicker. Chuck type, it's all metal, ratcheting chuck. The length is 6.9 inches. The weight is 4.8 inches. We have some stats. It's a 1/4 inch hex for the impact driver. Max torque, 2,000 inch-pounds. So you'll be able to drive larger fasteners quicker with your impact style driver. RPM, 3,600 RPMs. IPMs, you have 0 to 4,300 impacts per minute. Drive control it has 4 modes of drive control, so that you're getting the right amount of torque, the right amount of speed for your fastener length, your fastener type. Side handle bit insertion, yes. Length, weight, it's 4.59 inches and 3.8 pounds. You can see it has a power state brushless motor. It does include that red link plus intelligence, and it does have red lithium XC 5.0 battery packs. It's a lot of technology in this hard case. You know, quite frankly, how do you know that these tools are more compact even though they're offering more power? All we gotta do is compare them in size to the last generation. Here is the box from Gen 2. Here is the box from Gen 3. Immediately, you know there's going to be a size difference with the incoming tools. I think we already did the stats side by side from incoming to outgoing, didn't we? If we didn't, you don't have to include it. But if we did do a video, we'll link it here, right? Yo, peak torque, 1,200 inch-pounds. RPMs, same. They're the same weight. The length on the outgoing tool, 7.60 inches. The incoming tool, Gen 3, 6.9 inches. Let's look at the impact driver. So, the outgoing, the Gen 2, which is still a quality tool. The impact driver in this kit, which is model 2796-02, which, in case you're not aware, we got enormous deals, okay, on this tool kit, this combo kit. We might even be able to show you in a video over here how we scored these kits and the crazy price that we got them for. And we told you when we were doing the reporting from the MPS 2018 that, yes, we were excited about the new tool offerings, but we were also excited about the deep discounts that we were going to be finding on the previous generation because of the no incoming tools. And as a small business owner and general contractor, that's my day job. I'm only a YouTube personality at night and in my free time. As a general contractor and a small business owner, I am excited about saving money on quality tools that I can outfit crews, teams with to go out, get the job done quicker, get it done faster, do a better job with an affordably priced tool, or sometimes a clearance price tool. That increases the bottom line of the small business. That excites me. I love it. So stay tuned because we're always publishing tool deal videos. We got this one. It was unbelievably inexpensive. Great! We got Fastening Torque, 1,800 inch-pounds on the outgoing tool, or the Gen 2 tool. The Gen 3, 2,000 inch-pounds. RPMs, 3,000 RPMs. The Gen 3, 3,600 RPMs, so you're going to get it done faster. I gotta tell you, when I got my hands on these Gen 2s, I really was like, wow, they fit so much power into this compact form because they're very compact. But Milwaukee did it again. I mean, the length on this impact driver Gen 2 is 5.25 inches, 5.25 inches. The length on the new Gen 3 is 4.59 inches. Pretty soon you're gonna be able to hold your impact driver. You're gonna be able to hold it in like between two fingers. It's enough talk and enough comparison now. Let's get these open. I wanna take a look. So excited. Nice. So we got a nice hard case. I mean, very similar to the other Milwaukee hard cases. What's in the box? Ta-da! Boom. So what do we have? We have, of course, everybody goes to the operator's manual first. I mean, wouldn't you? We have the operator's manual for the hammer drill and for the charger, batteries, and the impact driver. You're going to want to read these. Also, you're going to want to write down your model number or your serial number on here, I guess. I don't know. Maybe not. So what do you have in here? Okay, number one, you have your charger. Pretty cool. Thanks for stepping up to the best tools money could buy. Win a 10-piece combo tool kit, one winner per month, drawn from each month's registered participants. Wow, pretty cool. So you have an opportunity to win even more tools. You have your standard charger. Nice. You can add this to our collection of, like, I don't even know at this point, dozens. You might be getting into the hundreds range. Some more literature of the very expansive M18 line. I mean, one of the largest in the business. They are the largest line of construction grade tools, I believe, in the 18-volt category. Look at this. They give you a free little diode that will let the store know if you decide to walk out of there without paying. Is that what we call this, a diode? What I really like about these fuel kits is that, you're really gonna think I'm nuts here, but I like that they give you a belt clip for each tool. You don't have to worry about switching back and forth or getting one belt clip. I know it sounds crazy, but you get 2 belt clips. You got 2 tools. It's nice, have 2 belt clips. So we only have 1 bar. Milwaukee sent his battery out with only 1 bar. I guess that's the way to send them out. I mean, it's got a nice rubber overmold, but we're used to that from the Milwaukee Tool Company. I'm gonna tell you, the back plate here, rubber, in case it falls backwards, I suppose. It has some shock absorbing qualities to it. This 4th mode is intended specifically for driving self-tapping screws into sheet metal. They thoughtfully included that. Then you have your 1, 2, 3, and then your sheet metal setting. It's pretty funny. It almost has like a soft start. Pretty cool. Also has a bit holder. Let's take a look at the drill. Wow, look. It's got an all metal chuck. I like the little red line around there. A new change is that now the Milwaukee LED on their Gen 3 hammer drill driver shoots up from the bottom. So if you're really pressing down, your hand's not going to be blocking the light anymore. You know, I don't know. Kind of like that it shoots from underneath. I feel like you have more of a tendency of your hand getting in the way up here. You have your hammer drill setting, your drill setting, and then your clutch. Clutch settings. Clutch settings are 2 through 14. So you have lucky number 13 in settings. Yo, it's pretty funny. Is Milwaukee Tool Company suspicious? There is no 13 on here. It goes 12 and then 14. No 13. Pretty funny. Actually, the clutch settings are 2, 4. No, it's not. Look at that. So here's 1, not labeled. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. Here's 4. So it's literally 14. There is no 15. So there's 1 through 14. Then you have a drill, just your standard drill, no clutch, and then your hammer drill setting. So you have 14, 15, 16 settings on this drill. Not to mention the gear case. We have 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 is your low speed or lower RPM, higher torque setting. 2 is your lower torque but higher speed setting. Throw your handle on there. This way you have a better grip on your tool. You know what I mean? Depending on what you're doing, drilling down, drilling through. You know, the amount of torque that this drill, hammer drill driver, is supplying, it could take you away. You know, so be careful. And that's why, if you need, you install your handle. You know, it's great to see stats on a screen, paper, but let's put these side by side with Gen 2. So you can see the length difference from Gen 2 to Gen 3 on the impact. I will say this, the Gen 2, the LED shoots straight out. It's funny, but the LED on Gen 3 looks like it almost shoots up a little bit. Could be wrong. I will say this, compared to the Gen 2, the Gen 3 is slightly heavier, but you are getting a lot more performance out of this Gen 3 than you are with the Gen 2. It's funny, they've crammed more into a smaller package overall. Pretty amazing. When it comes to the Gen 2 versus Gen 3, we have metal chucks. I gotta tell you, the chuck on the Gen 3 feels smoother. Overall, you can see the tool has gotten much shorter. And if you look at it in this view, you can see that the tool itself is thinner, much thinner. So that's how we're getting a weight savings. Crazy though, how we're getting that performance, still getting that huge amount of performance. Another huge difference is that no longer do you have a separate selector ring for your drill modes. You know, you have drill, driver, and then hammer drill on one selector ring on Gen 2, and then you have your clutch settings on a separate ring. On Gen 3, everything is now all-inclusive. Your hammer setting, drill setting, and then your driver settings, their clutch settings are now on a single ring. You know, less to go wrong with the tool. Less components, less problems. If you weren't fortunate enough to score Gen 2 on a crazy deal, go on out and get yourself some Gen 3s because these things are pretty awesome. I gotta tell you, you're gonna wanna check out the upcoming videos because we are gonna put these things through the ringer. I mean, we can test Gen 3 against Gen 2. If you want to see that, leave it down in the comment section below. Or do you want to see Gen 3 up against a competing brand? Let us know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure you smash the like button if you like this video. But as always, I want to say, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you very much, everybody. And we'll see you on the next one. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.